I'm here helping Wesley review a few toys that his brother Spencer got in Manila, Philippines. So the first one that we got was a Robocar Poli. So this one's a fireman and his name is Roy. And the second one is Poli. And then the third one is a robot helicopter called Helly. So it's Roy, Poli, and Helly. Are you going to open it, Wesley? Alright, which one do you want to open first? Oh, so you like the main character. I think his name is Poli. And let's see what... So this is Robocar Poli. And it comes in this box. Right, Wes? And it comes with these instructions. Yeah, so let's see what it does. Alright, what are you doing with it? Are you going to play with it? You're going to turn it into a car. You need help with him turning into a car? Alright, let's see. Yeah, look at that, I made it into a car. Very easy, right? Now you want to open the other one? Which one do you want to open? Okay, we can open both. Yeah, that was Poli. And this is Helly and Roy. Let's look at Roy. There's a little hose here. How are you? And this is Helly. Do you want everyone to turn into a car? And a helicopter? Alright, let's do it! Yeah, Firetruck first, let's do it! Alright, so let's figure out how this becomes into a Firetruck. Let's see, I think you have to toss, and then you have to turn it around. Make it like that. This. Okay, is that right? I think this is how you do it. So this is now Roy. This is Firetruck. Let's see Helly. So this is Helly. Helly's very easy. There you go. Let's see, now he's a helicopter. They're your favorite toys now? Goes up there. And then he goes down. And up. And down again. And what about Roy? Alright, so first one we're going to change is Poli, right? Do we know how to change him? So let's see. So this is Poli, and we're going to try and make him back into a robot. Okay, change his arms like that. Yeah, I mean this, I guess. There's his feet. There's his feet. There's his feet. There we go, now we just need to... Alright, so that's Poli. This is Roy. So he's now a truck. And we're now going to change him back into a robot. That was pretty easy. Now he's back into a robot. Ta-da! So he can stand next to Poli. Now we can easily become a robot. Oh no. So now you got 3 robots. There's Roy, hello. And there's Helly, hi guys. And where's Poli? Hi. Hi guys, so again this is the Robocar Poli. And made by Silverlit. There's characters. There's Roy, there's Amber, which we didn't get, and then there's Helly. Basically transforms from a robot hero to a car. What? Helly can actually move around a little bit, but he can dance. Yeah, look at that. He danced, Helly. How about Roy? What's Roy doing? Is he dancing? Yeah, he's dancing. What's he gonna dance? Like it? Alright, it's Poli's turn. What can Poli do? He can play soccer. He can run. Poli's back into a police car.